Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody is trying to stay sane. I believe I've said this in more videos, y'all, but hopefully we're halfway through this. So if you would just hang in there and keep it going, y'all are doing great. So guys, I have found some more May BoxyCharm BoxyPopUp items. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button to make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was again showing the sneak peek, the masks that were in the box, and about the June BoxyCharm choice dates that have been announced. Thank you so much, Nicole Davis. Nicole says, hey. Well, hey, Nicole, honey, it's good to see you. You are so quick with that bell. I really appreciate that. And thank you so much for coming and watching the video, honey. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again guys, I have found some more spoilers, more items for the May BoxyCharm BoxyPopUp. And so guys, I did put out a video right before this one about the masks that were found in one of Joe's Instagram posts, and they were either going to be in a future BoxyCharm box or in BoxyPopUp. Well, turns out guys, it has been confirmed that these masks will be in the May BoxyPopUp. Y'all, there are so many essential workers out there, people working in hospitals and just going to these jobs that have to be opened for everybody to live. So, I mean, I would think it's only right for them to put masks into a BoxyCharm box. I mean, I feel like that would be the only right thing to do, since there are so many people having to go out and having to work. But I did put an update at the top of the comments of that video. I did. If you don't know anything about BoxyPopUp, I'll just tell you about it. But there's too many items to name, so I'm just going to throw them up here for you to see. But again, BoxyPopUp happens quarterly, so that's every 3 months. And you can get items up to 80% off, which is a really good deal. Now, this is more than just makeup. It's more than skincare. It's lifestyle. I've seen men's stuff. I have seen so many different kinds of items in this. And, you know, that is the good thing about it. You know, I understand it's a makeup and skincare box, right? But, you know what? It's really nice when they throw something extra in this, like lifestyle stuff. Like you can get headphones there. I mean, really nice ones too. And to get them for up to 80% off is just unbelievable. I mean, you're not going to get these anywhere else for that price unless you get like a cheap Amazon pair or whatever. You know what I mean? So it's really nice that they do more than just the makeup and skincare. Now again, if you have not marked this down in your calendar, early access starts May 11th, and then May 12th it's open for all charmers. So again, if you have not yet, write that down in your calendar. Go ahead and do that now. That way you remember when it is, especially if you're planning on getting any items from there, because once they're gone, they're just gone. And I always hate going there late and then seeing that like mostly all the stuff is already sold out. So like, you know what's left over is the stuff people didn't want, and you know you're one of those people that didn't want the stuff that's already left. So if you would mark that down, that way you're there. That way you're there first, guys, and that way you are sitting there, you're waiting, and you know when it's coming up, and you know you're going to be there and get dibs on the stuff that you want. Now, I've just scoured this internet to find every single BoxyPopUp item that I could find, and I just put them all together in this video. Now, I'm pretty sure there's more stuff than this. This probably ain't all of it, but you know what? This is a good chunk of it, because I mean, I've just went all over the internet and found what I could find. If you're planning to get anything from BoxyPopUp, let us know what items you're shooting for down in the comment section. And as soon as they reveal anything else, you know I'm going to keep you updated. You know I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Crystal Riggs. Crystal says, I work in the hospital as a porter. I'd love one in my box. Again, Crystal, I wish they would put these in the box instead of just putting it in the pop-up. Hopefully, Joe will see some of these comments and will at least decide to put a mask in a BoxyCharm box. And I really appreciate what you are doing for us, honey. Thank you so much for your service. And I really appreciate you coming by and watching the video, honey. I love you, girl. Guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to steal my subscribers. But if you would check on that, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but y'all only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.